Yeah, 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 yeah. You're not done yet, Big Pa. You're not done yet. You're not done yet. You see the carnival energy where the man have in our class? The man directly jump up to the ceiling. Wishing that we can jump up to the ceiling. If all of we in a losing it jump at that level, at that point, believe me, I don't think Fit Farm will have a ground left. You understand? It'll be 6 big hole.
Let's say he's mad. You realize how long the
Yeah, just not well. Anyway, if you guys have been tuning in to TVJ for the past few Mondays at 8:30 p.m. and the replays in the afternoons, you're going to know what we're winding down to. Season finale of Losing It happens on when, Schroeder? Monday night, and it all started with this lady right here, producer Sharon Schroeder, who joins us now, along with Team Radio and Blue. Hi, team! Hi. How y'all doing?
Hi.
We're gonna sound lighter. Yeah, and the look, gosh, you guys, you're not even losing it. You've like lost it. I'm coming to you guys in a bit, but let me start with you, because this is your baby.
It is.
And it started with your journey. Sharon.
It did. It's something that I've always wanted to do, and we did it. So it took 4 years, because I think I did mine like in 2013.
Was it that long ago, Sharon, that this thing was? Mercy Jeepers. And how much did you lose?
I lost 38 pounds, I think, when I did it. So
the feedback from what happened with you spurred you to say, let me do this.
It did. I did it because I wanted to see how people would react to it. You know, and people loved it. I mean, there was, you know, you go into the supermarkets and people, no, you're not supposed to eat that, you're not supposed to buy that. And I know that these guys can say the same thing.
I can imagine.
So it came from that, and now we're here.
And here we are. And guys, people are really rooting for you folks on the road. I mean, I sit down at work and I see the replay and I hear what my colleagues at work are saying, and people are really rooting for you. And I hear people saying, you know, I would like to do this, because what it's doing is it's showing folks that it's all about people who have these struggles, right? And these folks are stepping out. You're stepping out with your lives on a daily basis and making yourselves vulnerable. So you're really inspiring other people. So clap on yourself for that. All right, so I started with Sharon, so let me go down to the red team, Jillian and Stacey. You have the microphone there. Pick up, ladies. Jillian, let me start with you. I want to ask you how much weight you've lost, but you can't tell me because obviously there's some things we don't know leading into Monday night. But how has this journey been for you?
Okay, so this journey, wow, it's an awesome journey, I must say. I've learned a lot. I've changed my life.
You see, this is a little family right here, you know. You can tell they've bonded and stuff. Yes. You don't laugh after your family. You always laugh after you.
Talk.
Oh, yes. Okay. All right. So go on then, because you don't have much time. Yeah.
Okay, so this has changed my life completely. I've basically learned how to diet and exercising as well, you know, and I enjoy it. Honestly, I enjoy it because losing weight is what I always wanted to do.
Good.
And I'm happy that I'm here.
Stacey has been crying since she came in here. Okay, not really, but you're wiping your eye. Come, hand the phone to Stacey. Stacey's crying, you crying? What happened? Tell me.
nervous.
You're nervous? You're nervous, man. Tell me what the experience has been like for you. I watched you climbing the... What kind of God back that you put them on, lady?
They enjoy my challenges.
Yes, of course they do. But you're conquering your fear of heights while you're losing weight. You're just building yourself into a better person overall. How's it been?
It's been fabulous. Every day I can't thank Sharon enough. If it wasn't for her, honestly, I wouldn't even think about going to the gym. I was like, I'm fluffy. Just deal with it.
Yeah.
But the life change is a journey that I intend to continue. And hopefully by the end of the year, Sharon, I call you and said you're a godmother, right?
I'd like that.
So
What is what going on here, though, Jesus? And what kind of news about Mass Jamaica this morning? Let her just move on from Stacey. I don't know what else she's going to tell us. Let me move over to Everett and Carissa. Yellow team, I watched yesterday. You guys, you gained.
Yeah.
You gained two Everett, you gained one, Carissa. I don't mean nothing, because you're losing inches. You can gain in muscle, right?
Yes.
Demotivating for you, the ups and the downs of the journey. How have you guys dealt with that?
Dealing with the ups and the downs of the journey, I must say thanks to my partner, because he checks in on me every day.
What I'm trying to... All right, go ahead.
The ups and downs of the journey, I have to give thanks to my trainer and my partner because they check in with me every day, not even every day, every minute of the day. If the trainer don't hear from us by a certain time, just Carissa, and a voice note, Everall, how many hear from Uno? What to the eating? What to the doing? So yeah, that motivates us and keep us in line because it's like Sandy's somewhere peeping on us and knowing what we're doing.
Virtually. Ever when you got the news of the 2 pounds, you weren't demotivated at all. You were like, it is what it is. Not sure what happened, but we're moving forward.
Yeah, when I got the news about the 2 pound, I did everything right. Right, I exercised right, I ate well. I gained 2 pounds. It must be something good. So I wasn't daunted at all. But my coach found out what's the problem, so she changed my diet and my workout style. So I'm not touching any weights at all because once I touch weights, I'm gaining.
You start to bulk up.
Yeah, I start to bulk up.
Yeah.
So she just take me off weights totally. So it's just strictly cardio and, body
so
strength.
more losing it when you step on the scale. Let me go around the back to Tweedledee and Tweedledum. You can decide who is Tweedledum around there. I have a fair idea. Pop. My gosh, your mouth work more than your body, Virgin. You just, Pop, people last night yesterday in the lunchroom, why Pop criticize everybody? Why Pop criticize everybody? But that is your way of kind of wanting the best for everybody, is it not?
No, with a chat Stacey
over okay.
That's why I make up a run down. But they show me with the man color face now white and black makeup.
Joker. Okay,
yeah,
Batman.
Undertaker.
Yeah, how's it been?
Been great. I finally get some neck. And so
where was it before?
No, I never have no neck, none at all. Last interview I come here, I never have no neck. I neck down here, so.
You found it?
Yeah, I found the neck now and thing. And
Virgin, you need a belt.
Just,
Your pants is...
Remember, I never wear belt, none at all.
In your life?
Like, I wear belt when I go to school, but from I leave school, I'm done with belt. Because every pants I wear, it's tight. You understand? All of my pants, them tight. So now I start going to my closet now, I start put every pants I put on, get big.
Yeah, because this one you're holding it up while you're walking.
I start searching my belt them now and can't find them because I don't know if, just because I never usually wear them, I usually give a belt and,
Sharon, can we get Papa belts?
Yes.
Can we present him with a belt?
Yeah, but Sharon buying me some belt and thing. Give thanks to Sharon, after big up Sharon for that, buying me a dozen belt this weekend. Thank you. And thing.
Okay. Okay. Miss Britt, what's happening? You look good, girl. What's going on? How you feel?
I feel really good because I have to give thanks to Sharon for losing it, for providing, education and a strong support system. And big up to my trainer, Siobhan, Body by Siobhan. Yeah. No, I have to give thanks because if it wasn't for them, I'd still be eating what I used to eat. Even though no one, then I might sneak in a little bit. But I put in
really something yeah. Oh gosh.
But big up the Siobhan though.
Let me ask you, Brittany, a lot of people were drawn to your story because you lost your mom and that's what kind of catapulted you into the weight gain. Tomorrow's her memorial.
Yeah.
Wow. Sharon, folks watching, they say physically these folks are getting into good shape and they're getting good eating habits, but mentally, how do you help Brittany to deal with her loss, such a tragic loss, so that she doesn't go back to the place where, she started? And how do you help them all mentally to be strong enough to not relapse and revert and go back to where they're coming from?
One thing that I found is that it's not only me, but we're all one big family, and we all support each other. Brittany's like my little daughter now, so I've kind of taken her on, and I talk to Brittany every day, and because I can only imagine, what she'd be going through. The trainers as well. It's a great support system because, they don't only limit themselves to talking to their personal trainer. They talk to all the trainers that are there, so it's a great support system.
Yeah, I can tell. You can feel it when you guys sit on set. You've built something good. And you kind of have friends for life to kind of take you through every phase of the journey and keep yourselves motivated.
I'm proud of them. They've done a great job. And somebody said to me yesterday, that, but how much weight have they lost? Is it when you watch other shows overseas, you see like 500-600 pounds amongst. I said, well, this is a little different, because this is how you are in real life. You know, when you see other shows overseas, you know, they're locked away for 13 weeks.
These guys are working.
These guys are working.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So it's up to them, you know, like they have to find the time to go to the gym. They have to make sure they eat right, you know, and it's a lot. So yes, it's a TV show, but we're also if this is the lifestyle that you want to live, this is how
Sacrifices.
You know, exactly. This
All
is what
right,
you
so
need
Monday,
to do.
what time? Finale?
Monday at 8:30, right after primetime news, you'll see the finale.
Okay. All right, want to shoot it already?
No.
Okay, I don't believe you. Too late. We know the answer already. Monday, 8:30, must-see TV right here on TVJ. You can see who walks away the winners of this challenge. Thank you, Sharon, for doing this. Thank you, guys, for inspiring us, and well done. Run to the finish line, guys, and finish strong. Producer of Losing It, Sharon Schroeder, along with the members of Team Red, Jillian and Stacey, Team Blue, Brittany and Big Pop, and Team Yellow, Everald and Carissa. Who will it be? Who's it going to be? Who's it going to be? All right. We'll be right back. Soon coming.
Fun.